Welcome guys, today I am with this small Bluetooth Amazon speaker and I'm going to show you how you can pair it with your Windows laptop. So at first, just remember to click and hold this power button.
Powering on.
When this indicator lights up, you can release the button and put close speaker to your laptop. Next, we have to go for the settings. Go for the left side, select Bluetooth and devices, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, click to add device, select Bluetooth, and now just wait until our speaker pops on the list. Here it is. So select by tapping with the left mouse button.
Connected.
As you can see and also as you can hear, we are successfully connected. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.